welcome back. I'm Shadee with your Shade, and I wanted to share with you some stuff I got since my birthday is coming up in 3 days. Yes, you heard it, 3 days. Sag gang. Yes, my birthday's on December 19th. Anyways, let's get straight into it. So I got some items for myself since my birthday's coming up. I purchased some TOTE CARRY, so I decided to show you what I got. I got first this beautiful tote CARRY bag. There it is. Y'all, this thing is so beautiful. Look at this. Oh my God. I will be everywhere with this bag. It's absolutely beautiful. Vegan leather. It's huge. It has, of course, the extra straps inside. Yeah, it's absolutely beautiful. I will definitely be rocking this in a vacation coming near me. So yeah, it's absolutely beautiful. It's very well made, always great quality. Yeah, as they say, travel with luxury. Next, I got a small backpack. Since I'm always wearing the black one and I get so many compliments, I decided to get a small little beige one. Look how cute this is. It's stitch made and they use the leather. It's so cute. Look at this. I will definitely be using this all the time. You can use it for festivals while traveling, of course. Great quality again. Absolutely beautiful. So excited. So yeah, if you haven't purchased from TOTE CARRY, you definitely should. I love them. Absolutely beautiful quality. Great birthday gifts for myself. So thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. Be you. Think naturally. Thank you guys again. Bye.